Hello student, in last lecture we studied the distribution. Now after distribution of drug, metabolism of drug occurs in a various organ, mainly in a kidney. Now we study the metabolism of drug. Drug metabolism is a term used to describe the biotransformation of a pharmaceutical substance in the body so that they can be eliminated more easily. The majority of metabolic process that involve drug occurs in the liver as the enzyme that facilitate the reaction are concentrated there. The purpose of metabolism in the body is usually to change the chemical structure of the substance to increase the ease with which it can be excreted from the body. Drugs are the foreign substance which the body always try to eliminate. With a few exceptions, all drugs are eliminated from the body in the form other than in which they are administered. Means a drug administered after that by metabolism change the nature and structure of the drug. Thus, the drugs undergo alteration in their structure in the body. The change that the drug undergo in the body are known as a biotransformation. Sites of drug metabolism. Extrahepatic microsomal enzymes in a brain and lungs mainly occurs in a reaction oxidation conjugation reactions. Hepatic microsomal enzymes in a liver generally occur reactions are oxidation conjugation, and a hepatic non-microsomal enzyme in that the reaction are acetylation, sulfation, alcohol, aldehydes, dehydrogenase, hydrolysis, oxidation and reduction occur in liver. The majority of metabolic process that involve drug occurs in the liver as the enzyme that facilitate the reaction are concentrated there. The purpose of metabolism in the body is usually to change the chemical structure of the substance to increase the ease with which it can be excreted from the body. The most important function of metabolism is to convert non-ionized lipid-soluble drugs into the more polar water-soluble compounds so that their elimination through the urine is easy. Means for the elimination, drug must be converted to polar and water-soluble compounds. Drugs are metabolized through various reactions include oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, hydration, conjugation, condensation and isomerization. There are often two phases of drug metabolism, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 for a non-synthetic reaction and phase 2 for a synthetic reaction. Phase 1 reaction. Non-synthetic reactions such as a cleavage. Example are oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, hydrolysis reaction, formation or a modification of a functional group in a phase 1 metabolism of drug. Phase 2, that is the synthetic reaction such as a conjugation with an endogenous substance. Example are a sulfate, glycine, glucuronic acid. The most common and important enzyme group involved in the phase 1 metabolism of drug is the cytochrome P450, that is called a CYP450 superfamily of enzyme. This group of enzyme act as a catalyst for for the oxidation of many drugs. It can in turn also be induced or inhibited by many drugs and other substances. As a result, the metabolism of some drugs is affected by the presence of other substances. This is what is known as a drug interaction. Some of the important enzymes in this family includes CYP1A2, CYP2C9, CYP2C19, CYP2D6. All enzymes are occur in the liver, and CYP450 are the main enzyme for the reactions. Glucuronic acid, that is the glucose metabolite conjugation by a UDP glucuronyl transferase. By that, the metabolism of glucuronic acid occur. Sulfate drug metabolism occur by a conjugation by a sulfotransferase. Glutathione drug are a metabolized by a glutathione S transferase enzyme. Amino acid conjugation by a acetyl-CoA synthetase and N-acetyl transferase. Methylation, attachment of methyl group by a methyl transferase. Drug metabolism by drug. Example, if a drug, the phase 1 metabolism, inactive drug may be converted to the active drug, and after that the phase 2 metabolism, drug converted to inactive drug, that after that inactivation of drug eliminated through the urine or a bile depending on the nature of the drug. If a water soluble drug eliminated through the urine, and if a lipid soluble drug that eliminated through the bile. Oxidation by cytochrome 450, that a metabolite. If a drug is a polar, then eliminated through a renal elimination through the urine. Conjugation reaction. Stable adduct means a lipid or non-polar species lipid duct that are eliminated through the bile duct through the stool. Metabolism of drug tends to stop pharmacological activity. It is not the correct to think of drug metabolism as a detoxification process because some drug inactive substance may act as a product. The metabolism of drug, in that the drug may into inactive drug may be formed in a active form, active drug may be inactive form, and may be drug converted into a toxic substance by a metabolism process. A drug may be converted to a processing different or even a toxic actions. Example is a parathione gets converted into a toxic substance. Example, paraxone. Parathione get converted to paraxone after a metabolism. Paraxone it is a toxic substance. In order for a drugs to leave the body, a process opposite to absorption must occur. Hence, in this connection, it is to be appreciated that for a better absorption, a drug should be a lipid soluble, non-ionizable, whereas for its a better elimination, it is made a water soluble and ionizable. Means for a better absorption, drug should be a lipid soluble and non-ionizable, and for a better elimination, Drug must be a water soluble and ionizable. Thank you. In next lecture, we study the excretion of drug, that is the elimination of drug.